Hello guys, how are you? So I am Anubhav and we are going to solve the Strivers A to Z DSA sheet, and this is the first question of that sheet that we are going to solve. This is a pattern question. As we can see, the question is given in the left of our screen. So as we can see or tell that there is a pattern given where the input is 5 and we have to create a program that gives us the following output. So to do that, what we can say that the code can be something like this. Let's say we have to create a pattern that can I relate the input and output together. Like, let me give you guys a tip that in the cases of every pattern program, we always have to make a connection between input and output. So following that way, what we can see here is that the input is 5, right? The input is 5 and the output consists of how many lines? Output consists the output consists of 5 lines total. Means the total number of lines is equals to n. The input, let's say input equals to n, so the total number of lines equals to n. And also we can see that in each line the total number of stars in each line is also n. So in a program, what does a for loop do? The for loop does the following. Let's say we are declaring a for loop of for I in range 1 to n plus 1. So what does this do? So this will create something like this. Let's say let's take this square box. Okay, it's not a square, but you can manage, right? So in this case we can say that the for loop will do the job of printing lines. Let's say you are here, you can see this line, this is I equals to 1. This line is called I equals to 2. This line is called I equals to 3. This line is called I equals to 4. And last line, let's say we can call it I equals to 5. Okay, so this for loop does the job of printing lines. So as we can relate to the code, we have printed all the lines we have printed already. So our next job is to print the stars in every line. So in Python, can we say that there, if I declare a string s as a, and if I multiply it with certain amount of numbers, like say 2, then our output will be S would be updated to, this will cause S to update to A. We can say that, right? So in the same manner we can do this whole, so in the same manner can we say that in each line we need n number of stars, we need n number of stars in each line. So can we say that the stars in every line is n? So let's do something like this: star, multiply it with n, and then then we can do something like print. Then we can just print the output, print, and let's do print. What shall we print? We shall print S. We shall print S. That would be it. This would be the code and this would be the program. Let's see. Let's now see the program. So let's see here. We are doing the for I in range 1 comma n plus 1, and we are doing something like this: S equals to star, and then multiply the star by n, and let's print S. Let's hope it works, finger crossed. Okay, so we have to add another space because the program is completely right, but we have to add some spaces to match the following pattern like this. And yeah, our program works. Our program works completely fine, so we can submit it. Let's see. And it passes all the test cases. So this would be our first pattern program, and we are going to cover a whole lot in this series, so stay tuned. And sorry, but this playlist is going to be in Python because I am also learning, and at this moment I am also trying to get better at DSA. So all the best, finger crossed, bye.